Welcome back everybody to a brand new video on the Dentist Saad channel. My name is Future Dentist Saad and today I'm back here again with my little bro. What's your name, little bro? So today, to make the best of our quarantine and having to stay indoors, we are going to be doing a dental meme review. So let's get into meme number one. Yeah, boy. So the picture is just four people who look pretty much exactly alike. It is like how multiple choice answers look when you don't study for the exam. That is true. That's literally how they look. You're like, I don't know which one's right, which one's wrong. Just choose one and hope for the best. Next meme. So the next meme is me watching my patients well looked after teeth in their Instagram selfies. I aspire to be like this one day.
Hey, stop! Why? I just don't get it.
When I'm all graduated and a dentist, I can see people being happy about their smiles. God. That is one of the main reasons why we do our job, because it's just so nice to see people finally happy with their teeth and having big old smiles rather than be like, there's a smile like that. Big old smile like that. Because give us a big old smile.
Next meme. Imagine getting engaged to a dentist and having to pretend like you floss for the rest of your stupid life.
Do you floss like us?
Do you floss?
Yeah.
Okay. He flosses guys. It's fine. We don't need to attack him yet. He flosses. Whew. I was about to have a breakdown there, but it's fine. He flosses. Good boy. Next meme. Dentist. When was the last time you flossed? Me. Bro. You were there. So, what cause? Is this relatable to you, yeah?
Yeah. Next meme.
My stomach normally and my stomach during the exams. This happens to me all the time, literally. When I think it's because during the exams you're nervous and then your stomach just starts making all of these sounds. You're like, please be quiet. I'm trying to answer this exam, and you won't be quiet. Now the invigilator's looking at you like, what are you doing, Lucas? Why is your stomach making so much sound? And what do you say? Do you have a phone in there? You cheating?
I need to fall. Next
Dang. When your patient stares at you during the entire treatment like
But then where should we be looking?
You can look anywhere besides the dentist flipping eyes. You can look behind him, look at the light that's shining in your eyes. You can look at you can close your eyes actually. You know what? That's the best idea. Close your eyes while you're getting your dental treatment. It'll be better for you. You won't even see all the tools or anything. You probably won't be as scared of the dentist as well. So there you go. Close your eyes. Next.
Meme.
Oh, and speaking of being scared, the next meme is psychopathic, sadistical, torturer starter pack. Blinds and disorients victims with a bright light. Tells you it's for your own good. Menacingly presents their tools to instill fear into their victims. Hides their identity behind a mask and meticulously keeps records of their sadistical crimes. But guys, listen, this meme is fake. The dentist is nice. We care about you. Listen, we truly do.
Next meme.
Patient, I have a 1:30 appointment. The nurse asks, which doctor? The patient, no, I want a regular doctor. Well, guess what? If you want a regular doctor, don't come to the dental office. Get your lazy ass over there to the faraway GP and get yourself some treatment. Because we don't have that here. We have fake doctors / dentists. Hey, here's the corona, guys. Well, that sounds like coronavirus.
Next meme.
When someone asks how you got a new box of cold cure right after prosthetics postings, the secret ingredient is crime. Because what do you think this means?
You have to steal it.
How would you know that? Huh? Or you a secret Stealer?
It's obvious.
I think he might be a little bit of a stealer. Next, meme. Go on, Marcus, read that meme.
When you see another person pulling an all-nighter before an exam, you're just like me.
Yeah, this basically like uni students. I know, Marcus, you probably won't understand you're living that chill life, but for us uni students, some exams you just gotta do all-nighters. For prosthetics, I had to like pretty much 4 nights in a row where I was just all-nighters trying to make my denture. But it was worth it in the end. My denture came out sick and I passed the exam first time, so I ain't got no complaints.
Wow!
Next!
Me.
Okay, this one says, when your patient denies anesthesia, so you decide to knock him out. Peace was never an option. And it's that duck from that game. And he's an annoying duck. Like Wakas. This meme is basically Wakas at the dentist. Go on, Wakas, what does it say?
12-year-olds at the dentist, the fish chilling in the fish tank. Is this relatable, yeah? Sometimes.
Next meme. So when I put gloves on versus when anyone's watching me put gloves on. This meme are more like when I put gloves on normally versus when I put gloves on in an exam because my hands are just sweaty and then the gloves just won't go on properly and it's such a mistake. Next.
Photo. No.
Hi.
Okay.
When your prosto equipment goes missing for the 8th time, Thomas has never seen such bull before.
Thomas hasn't seen a bull in his life. I feel bad for Thomas. I think he needs to go out to the zoo and see a bull. But yeah, this is basically our prosthetics lesson. I remember I went in there one day with all of my knives and all of my tools, and then I came out with like one knife and flipping one ruler left, and everything else had disappeared somehow. Trying not to stare at the curing light like... So you gotta become the lady from Bird Box when you're trying not to stare at the curing light. That is true, because in our prosthetics lesson, for some reason, no one wants to hold the curing light under the table. Everyone's just holding it up. It kept going into my eyes. I felt like I was gonna go blind on that day. Thank God I'm still fine though. But yeah, this curing light, annoying as hell. It's made of blue wavelength, which is one of the more shorter wavelengths of light, and then if that goes into your eyes for a long period of time, or if it's directly into your eyes, you're probably gonna go blind, but slowly. So it's better not to stare at it as much as you can, but if you do, I mean, you did it. Try to avoid it. Curing light is basically, it's like this blue light that you pour on composite after you've made the shape of the tooth, and it makes the composite become hard. So then it becomes like actual tooth structure. So next, me, the patient. Read it.
Well,
The tooth.
the tooth didn't hurt until you touched it. Dentist.
Bishwat. Next meme. Dentist. How has your day been, huh? How has your day been, huh? You wanna tell me how your day's been? Huh?
Help me! Help me!
I think this basically means the dentist starts, examining your mouth and everything and asking you to talk, which you obviously cannot do. Next meme. Pick a meme, any meme. Pick a meme, any meme. Tell me stop and I'll pick it.
Stop.
Ooh.
Nice.
Another example of why dentists are scared of literally nothing. Cause what do you think this is?
It's one of them prosthetic robots.
Prosthetic
some
robots?
Kit, just some mannequin thing.
Money, yeah, I guess you're not completely wrong. So these are actually called phantom heads. These ones more specifically look way scarier than the ones that we're used to in prosthetics. The ones that we use look like that. We use these models so we can practice all of our dental work on these plastic models before we move to actual people, because obviously it's a much different experience holding the tooth in your hand and working on it, and then it is working on an actual person or in an actual mouth, where your visibility would be limited and the way you move your hand is limited as well, and everything just feels a whole lot different. So we use these just to practice our work, so we know exactly what to do before we get on to real patients. Next, me.
Dentist, helium, patient. Will it kill the pain? dentist. No, but when you scream, it's funny.
Yeah, you gotta use helium, make the patient scream, and they'll be like. Well, Cos, how would you scream if you were on helium? Go and do it. 4 out of 5 dentists recommend Colgate. One dentist, yeah, it's gonna be a no from me, dog. 1 out of 5 dentists do not like Colgate. I don't know what Colgate has ever done to anyone. Like, they're only a good company. Colgate is my friend. This is Colgate right here. Well,
That was a laugh. That was a laugh.
it was not a cough. It was the worst 45 seconds of your life. Do you get it?
No.
How do you not get it?
I don't know what it is.
Haven't you ever had the gum saw thingy that they put in your mouth and they take an impression of your teeth? Oh, well, he doesn't get it. This is basically known as alginate, the thing that they put inside. The outside thing, the green, that is called an impression tray. Use that to get an impression of your teeth, which we can eventually use to create a model of your teeth. And that final model looks something like this. Final model looks something like this. So this is the mandibular teeth, meaning the lower teeth of me. These are my actual teeth, so look at it. Pretty sick, innit? So that is what this alginate would be used to get this sort of impression. Then we can use these to, you know, create loads of different treatments for your teeth. But why did it say that it's the worst 45 seconds of your life? Well, because normally when you do the maxillary impression taking, this gel sort of thingy, as we call it, alginate, it goes back into your throat and it makes you want to vomit. The only thing that our teacher told us to do in order to, you know, avoid it, because we did it on each other in the class as well, is stop breathing through your mouth and only breathe through your nose, and you'll feel a bit better and you won't want to vomit as much. So try that next time you go to the dentist. Next!
Meme.
Watches a movie to take a break from dental school. Can't stop staring at the actor's teeth. Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of guilty of doing this. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to take a break from work, you know. I'm going to watch a movie right now, and you're watching, you're like, oh, something wrong with that person's teeth. His central incisor is not straight. Damn it, I hate this movie. Give it a 1 star straight away. Next!
Meme.
When the dentist gives you a sticker for being a brave boy. You're a brave boy, okay? Do you ever get a sticker like this? Why do you cry when you're at the dentist? What happens when you go to the dentist?
Nothing.
Oh, so they don't care when you go to the dentist. This guy's here again, kick him out. Don't they say, oh, you're a good boy, thank you for coming and having clean teeth? What do they say?
They only say, well done for teeth.
Yeah, so that's it. And then you get a sticker because you're a brave boy.
I don't guess.
Well, I don't know about the dentist, but when I was a little kid, every time I'd go to the doctors and get a vaccination, they'd be like, oh, you're a really brave boy because you didn't cry. And they'd give me a lollipop and I'd be like, yes, I am brave, I'll never cry. And it actually worked. I'd never cry when I went to the doctors. So there you go. Next, meme. I need my water. You want some? Okay.
Dentist training. Just prod their teeth and say random numbers and letters.
Well, you don't get it. I mean, random numbers, letters could literally mean anything. But the main thing is we number your teeth as numbers. So for example, this tooth, this is your upper left central incisor. We would call it 2, 1 because we consider that there are 4 quadrants inside your mouth. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the second quadrant and it's the first tooth. So the number we give it is 2, 1. So whenever they're talking about your teeth, they'll be like 2, 1, 3, 5, 4, 3, blah, 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 blah. And they'll talk like that and you'll be like, what the heck are they talking about? But they're just telling you the numbers which represent different teeth in your mouth. It's just an easier way than saying upper left central incisor. You just say 2, 1. Done. That's it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Next.
Meme.
When you visit the dentist, what you see, the dentist just working, you know, just doing his thing. What the dentist sees. Oh, well, cause this is basically you, mate. This is your meme. Go and read it.
When I get out of school early, but it's for the dentist. Worst rescue ever.
Is it the worst stress you ever caused?
Sometimes.
Why?
Because sometimes I know it's just for normal checkup. Then sometimes it's like, yeah, I'm gonna get the injection.
Nah. Well, you don't like the injection?
No.
That's the best part. Because afterwards you get to eat ice cream. Do you like ice cream?
Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop.
So last me, after I finally finished trimming my denture in the prosthetics lab. Yeah, this was basically me last year. And if you guys are in second year and you're doing your dentures right now, oh wait, you can't. Oh wait, you can't do your dentures. It's online classes. I feel bad for you second year, but eventually, when you get to work on your dentures, you're gonna realize that this is how long it takes for you to polish and shine your denture to the max, and it's really annoying. But that is all that we had for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a
Thumbs up.
and subscribe right down there below. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet,
What are you doing?
what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. And my name is Future Saad. I'm here with my little bro. Leave some good comments right down there below for him. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
You're my special friend.